Hey people, this is Richard from Debaru, and in this video, as part of my journey to $1,000 a day with cash on delivery affiliate marketing, I'm going to be walking you through one of the particular product sub-verticals within cash on delivery, and it's going to be skin offers. So showing you how skin works within cash on delivery. So there are multiple different types of offers that you can run with cash on delivery, and in today's video, we're focused on skin. Okay, so as you can see right now, I am in the We Media affiliate network dashboard, and I'm gonna go over to the offers section, and we're gonna take a look at some of the offers that are available inside of We Media, and in particular, we're gonna focus on skin. So skin in terms of Nutra. So Nutra is the vertical which has, skin. It has various other different types of sub verticals, and I'm going to show you right now because I just lost my memory of everything. So if you just type in Nutra, so we have diet, we have brain. So these are brain pills. There's CBD. You should know already what CBD is. Cannabis oil and that sort of thing. We've got ED, erectile dysfunction. People have those problems and people want to purchase certain solutions for those problems, and that's something that we as affiliates, we can help them to buy. So we're helping the world here, guys. We are actually helping the world. And then there's also muscle and skin. So these are the main verticals. So if I just put in Nutra COD, what if I put in COD, and when we have all the other verticals, and there's also teeth and joint. So if there's if people have joint issues, this is mainly for old people, obviously, but also people that are into fitness, and a lot of athletes want to purchase products to help them with joint issues, like knee joints, elbow joints, and there's different sort of products within those verticals that we can sell. But in this video, we're going to focus primarily on skin and how we can angle skin products within the cash on delivery affiliate vertical, and how we can make money from skin offers. So let's take a look. If I select skin here, let's have a look at some of the offers and the pre-landers that are available. So once this loads up, okay, I think I just deselected it, so let's go back. So skin, okay. Okay, so these are all the different skin offers. As you can see, Nutra COD skin, and we can see different countries that are available. Well, let's take a look. There is quite a general style for skin offers, so you're going to start to notice different patterns that resemble on each different offer for skin. But there are different ways in which we can angle those offers when we run our campaigns. So let's have a look. So fungal fix. Let's see, Goji creams. I'll try and pull up 5 offers. So this Hydro, Lifto Skin, Pappy Stop. Don't know why that made me chuckle. Pappy Stop. That sounds like. Let's not go into what it sounds like. Sounds like some. Yeah, let's not go into that. But it made me chuckle. Probably made someone else chuckle. Pappy Stop. It's not what somebody would say when something's happening, but let's keep this channel very PG, so I'm not going to go into that. And it's also Skin Vitalist, but I think I have more than 5 already selected, but who cares? We're going to take a look at all of them. I'm sure that you guys want to find out what exactly happens with skin offers inside cash on delivery. Okay, so this offer isn't available, but we can preview the URL. If I wanted this offer to be available, I can just hit on my AM and then refresh my screen, and it'll be available for me, because we got it like that. All right, so let's take a look. So cool. So this is this is skin cream. Obviously I do not know what it says, but fungal, antifungal. So it's about maybe a rash, or some form of virus on the skin. And this is the obviously the type of skin offer that is there. So there's skin offers that could be more around wrinkle cream, targeting old people. There's stuff around like, rashes and irritations on the skin. And this one is more towards that sort of vertical. But let's try and pull up all the different offers available so we can do a full comparison of everything. So that first offer, that was Italy. So for all the Italians out there watching this video, you probably know what this says. Well, you do know what this says, but I don't have a clue because I am not Italian. So preview URL. Okay. So this is a cream, and now again you can see this is more angled towards the female market, more for beauty as opposed to solving a problem. So there's different when you're running skin offers, you've got to remember that there are different sort of segments, and these help you angle the offer, right? If I am running a skin offer where it's focused on solving the issue of wrinkles, versus a skin offer that's focused on solving like some kind of like rash or irritation or fungus or something like that, they're going to be very different in terms of how I target, how I angle, and my entire approach is going to be very different. And you need to understand that even within a sub-vertical in affiliate marketing, there are going to be different ways in which you can angle, and you need to take into consideration all those different factors because they are very, very important to whether you have a profitable campaign or not. So you need to understand the psychology behind why somebody would purchase. Because somebody who's looking at wrinkle cream is looking more towards the vanity side of the product, right? Whereas somebody who is looking at who may be interested in a cream that solves some form of skin irritation, they don't give a fuck about the vanity side. They just want to get this rash off their face or the rash off their arm, whatever it is, right? So you need to make sure that you understand that within skin, and all the different verticals within affiliate marketing in general, there are different layers that help you market and angle to the audience. So very, very important. So this is the second offer. So we've got Goji Cream, and this is a Malaysian offer. Okay, this is like the lander. And again, they put their name and their phone number. And once they put their phone number through, they get a phone call from a call center. And that call center will try to convert them over the phone and kind of just qualify them as well as a customer. Once they qualify them and they confirm that they want to, the customer confirms that they want to, purchase the product, providing that they meet certain requirements that the call center has, that will come through to me as a conversion. And then the next day or the following or the day after that, the courier who is synced inside this process will then deliver the product to the customer, and the customer will pay on cash. Makes sense, right? Cash on delivery. However, me as the affiliate who generated that lead, generated the traffic, I get paid as soon as the call center guy confirms that they are a suitable candidate for the product. Doesn't matter what happens on the back end, that isn't my problem. I get paid anyway. So as you can see, it's almost like e-com, but it's a pay-per-lead e-com model. So I don't have to face any of the issues that happen on the back end with the e-com, chargebacks, all these sort of billing issues, dealing with all the products, all this manual labor, none of that bullshit. I get paid for generating good quality traffic that converts for the customers, right? The better my traffic, the more scope of volume they would want me to provide. So I have higher caps, and that means the more profit I can make for my business. So this is the Goji Cream offer. Let's take a look at another one. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, keep walking you through how different products within skin can have different angles and different approaches, which is very, very important for you to know. So this is an offer that's been running in Brazil. It's Hydro. Let me just make sure that these are all skin. Yep, they're all skin. Cool. Had to double check just in case. Cool. And this is another sort of face, like more of a vanity type product. With this particular product, it's Hydro face. So it could be about, You know, the angle with this one will be like if you want to look younger, or if you want to keep that young skin, or if you want to, you know, if you want to become 10 years younger. Those sort of angles will match this sort of product. I'm not gonna run an angle around, you know, solve that thing on your face, or like remove that rash, or whatever it is for a product like this, because that's not the aim of the product, right? And there'll be a message mismatch if I angle it in that way. So you want to make sure that throughout the process you have a continuous match in terms of how you know, create your ad inside of like Facebook or a native platform where you're running the campaign, and the messaging on your pre-lander and the messaging on the offer page. As long as everything is synced, you have a higher chance of converting the user on the offer page, which is what we want, because that's how we make money. All right, it's very simple. But if you get this wrong, then it's very easy to lose money. So let's take a look at another offer that's available. So this is Lifto Skin, which is a Philippines offer. Philippines. I was actually in the Philippines in February this year, and for everyone that's from the Philippines, you have a beautiful country. Like, that place is amazing. All right, so now we see another vanity product. So this product is Make You Young Again and stops the skin cells aging. So the angle is, you know, probably targeting, you know, obviously most likely targeting an older audience who want to roll back the years and get that young skin once again. We see this every single day with mainstream e-commerce products. You know, the skin industry, away from just affiliate marketing, is a multi-billion-dollar, if not trillion-dollar industry, because, you know, people care about how they look. It's just a fact, right? And we see this every day through, you know, TV advertising, Facebook advertising, you know, just throughout advertising in general. Even before we had digital advertising, we're seeing these, you know, L'Oreal, Olay, all these massive, huge companies advertising in the same way. Now, we're just doing this in the terms of CPA, where we get paid for an action to occur, because we're helping the business on the back end generate business for their business, if that makes sense. So when we generate a lead, they are monetizing that lead heavily on the back end, right? And that's essentially what we're doing as affiliate marketers. And when we do cost per action, we get paid for an action to occur. And with cash on delivery, the action that we get paid for is for the call center to call up a number and confirm that the lead matches a certain criteria. And as long as the lead matches that criteria and there's a confirmation of the courier for the courier to deliver the product, we get paid. It's very, very simple. No need to overcomplicate the process. It's super simple. So it's another product. Again, let's take a look at this one. So this is the one that made me chuckle. Pappy Stop. Pappy Stop. That, I don't know why. I'm just super childish, but that was a bit of a funny one. Like, Pappy Stop. I wonder what that means. Let's take a look and see if we can find out. All right, so this is a Pappy Stop product. All right, so definitely can't find out from this, but this is going to be a product where it's going to be focused again around the, not less so around the beauty aspect, and more so around stopping something happening. It could be fungus, could be a rash, could be some irritation. Just because if I'm looking at this pre-lander and this offer page, there is no, you know, beautiful women on display, right? There's no comparison of, you know, an old face versus a young face. So we already know that this product isn't designed for that nature. And what I would do is I will speak to the people that I get to translate my landers, and they can tell me a little bit more about the offer. Or I'll just speak directly with my affiliate manager, and he'll tell me more about the offer and, you know, how I could potentially angle it, because it's very clear that this is not a product that I will be approaching as a, you know, be 10 years younger, like, you know, look, roll back the years or anything like that. It's very clear that this is more towards the pharmaceutical side. Like, even look at the shape of the actual product. It looks like one of those things that you get from a pharmacist, right? So we need to angle it and approach it in that same way to keep everything synced up. So let's look at the final offer that's here. So Skin Vitalis. So let's take a look at this one. Skin Vitalis. So here again, anti-aging night cream, right? It says what it does on the tin, right? It's very, very clear what this product does. It's very, very clear what, the type of people that you're targeting. You're not going to target a 21-year-old with a anti-aging night cream. So if I get any silly questions around, for this product, how do I target the age? Just use your common sense. You can even do basic research into some of the biggest brands that who create products like this, and understand a little bit more about their target audience, and then copy that and use that in your targeting for your campaigns. So a lot of this is very basic, but you need to be able to read beyond just using skin in COD. You need to think about the layers that are underneath skin as a sub-vertical for the whole vertical of cash on delivery. So this is kind of like, should give you a good overview of the skin sub-vertical, some offers that are available, and show you the different types of skin offers that you can run, and that it's not all the same. You can't just, split test 3 skin offers if they're all within 3 separate, completely different types of products, right? Within skin. So you can't split test product A, which is anti-aging, versus product B, which is removing fungus, because it's completely different. It's just like trying to sell somebody a football and selling them a tennis racket. They're both sports, but it doesn't mean that they solve the same problem or they provide the same solution.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.